Hello, welcome to Wolfe Chevrolet. Today we're going to be looking at this 2015 Honda Accord Touring. It comes equipped with a 3.5-liter V6 engine paired to a 6-speed automatic transmission. Other amenities included such as premium leather heated seats, power sliding sunroof, navigation, heated rear seating, and so much more. Come check it out. Moving on to the interior, we're going to have this all-black interior with paneling cup holder storage on the bottom next to the speakers. Comes up to the power locks, mirrors, and windows with your seat memory. The speakers at the top. They use power adjustable leather heated seats, super nice. And left side you'll have your ventilation as well as your econ mode there. Left side of steering wheel will be your odometer cluster control and voice recognition with the cruise control on the right. It's going to be push to start and onto the infotainment. So you got two screens at the bottom here for your media and as well as your radio. And up top is for your vehicle information, including your trip information, calendar, and as well as navigation here. Below, you're going to have your climate controls, dual zone as well. Cool thing with the Honda Accords, when you hit the right signal, you got a camera on the right, but only for the right side. Here you're going to have your screen controls here with menu and settings, as well as a 12-volt USB port, some storage, the heated seats. You got the classic handbrake and center console storage with an extra 12-volt. Passenger side, same finish, power adjustable, heated as well. Wood accents across, speaker up top, and then here you can access your reading lamps and as well as your power sliding sunroof. So you're gonna have these 18-inch wheels on Nokian WRG4 tires with paint match mirror caps and chrome. See the Century door handle there. Comes at the back, V6 badging, the dual exhaust. Lots of extra trunk space and as well as extra storage and tools down below. It's a pretty spacious rear. And onto the rear interior, again, more paneling and storage on the bottom, power windows with the rear heated seats. Pretty decent legroom, storage behind the passenger and driver's side. Cup holder right in the center with the armrest, speakers in the back, lamps up top, and handles on the side. All right, well, thank you so much for tuning in today here at Wolfe Chevrolet. We checked out this 2015 Honda Accord Touring, equipped with a 3.5-liter V6 engine, as well as leather heated seats, power sliding sunroof, cruise control, navigation, and so much more. Thank you so much for watching today. We hope you subscribe, and we hope to see you at Wolfe Chevrolet very soon.